Hello, beautiful people. It's me, Corey Anika, your esthetician. Today, we're going to be talking equipment. One of my favorite equipments to have in your spa practice as an esthetician is a towel warmer. This is my baby right now. It's on. I live for this machine. I use this machine, in skincare and hair removal services. I use white towels for all skincare treatments, and I use black towel for hair removals. When I do waxing on clients, I like to give them a hot towel after each treatment to soothe their skin. It's just something that I do, something that I add for them. It's nice, especially like after a massage. It's good to use a hot towel. So right now my machine is on. This machine is a towel warmer and a UV sterilizer, so you're killing the germs in them, which is very good because in skincare everything has to be tip-top shape. So we're gonna go ahead and open it, and I got a couple towels in there right now. I don't have much in there, but every time I wash, once they're dry, I run them under some water, and I put them in a towel warmer. Right now I have some of my tools in there. I have some of my skincare tools and my eyelash tweezers. After I soak my tweezers in barbicide or citrus, I like to then rinse them out with water and then place them in my towel warmer, so that way the UV sterilizer can kill any additional germs in there, so it can be in tip-top shape. So this machine is very easy to use. You plug it in. It's on right now, but I'm gonna turn it off for a quick second. You plug it in, you turn it on. You have to make sure this machine is off at night because you will then burn your towels. Also, this is the drainage where all the water comes out of the machine. So you want to go ahead. Right now I need to empty it. I'm going to empty once I'm finished. This machine always has, area always has to be checked in water because you don't want the water to overflow and you don't want it to smell bad. And that's pretty much it. It's not much to it. A towel warmer is very essential in your aesthetic practice if you're going to be doing skincare services. Even people who do massages, they like to have towel warmers. You can buy one fully priced. They have them at Walmart. They have them on spa sites. They have them. That's if you want a brand new one. If you want to get a used one, you can always check like website like Let One Offer. I purchased mine's brand new because certain things I just like to have brand new because I don't want to worry about them breaking in the near future. The machine that you do hair on is the Glow Cool Cold Microdermabrasion system. If you looked closely, you can see that I have a diamond tip in there. I have a diamond tip in the hot towel warmer because I'm using the UV sterilizer to go ahead and sterilize that for me, because it's very important that you keep things clean. I'll talk about the microdermabrasion machine in a different video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time.